Hello everybody, I'm Novita Chandra. I'm the 7th semester student of Faculty of Letters from Methodist University of Indonesia. In this video, I'm going to talk about a subtopic of psycholinguistics, which is the three aspects of language competences. Language competencies is the study of how we use a language unconsciously. When we say that we use a language unconsciously, it means that we have mastered that language. So language competencies is the study of the processes of how humans acquired a language or mastered a language. From a baby who couldn't even understand a language to a human who is able to understand and use a language unconsciously. So there are three aspects of language competencies, which are the topic of this video. This first one is language comprehension, the second one is language production, and the third one is language acquisition. Let's learn about them further one by one. The first one is language comprehension. Language comprehension is the process to understand a language, including to understand what people are saying, to understand body language, to understand intonation, and also gesture. So there are two keys in language comprehension, which are listening by ears and looking by eyes. So language comprehension is a complex process in human mind which happen unconsciously. So unconsciously, by listening more to a language or by looking more or pay attention more to a body language, we will also understand more about that language. That's what language comprehension is. The second one is language production. Language production is the process of producing spoken or written language. So after we have understand a language, the next step is to produce that language. So there are three processes in language production. The first one is to emerging intended message in our mind. Emerge the message that we want to convey to our listener or to our reader. After we have the message, then the next step is transforming that message into the linguistic form. This also happens in mind. In this process, we will construct a good sentence that will convey our message. Word choice, grammar are all happening in this process. So after we have a good sentence, after we have a good linguistic form, the next step is altering the linguistic form into spoken or written language by speaking or by writing. The third one or the last one is language acquisition. Language acquisition is the process by which humans acquire a language, including to receive, to comprehend, and to produce. So we can say that language acquisition is the ability to communicate in a language, such as in English, Mandarin, Indonesian, France, and so on. That's all about the three aspects of language competences. Thank you for listening.